30-day no-spend challenge. What if I told you that 30 days could change your relationship with money forever? Not 30 years, not 30 months, just 30 days. No gimmicks, no side hustles, just one bold decision. Stop spending on everything, except the essentials. Well, buckle up, because the 30-day no-spend challenge isn't just about saving money. It's about discovering your financial blind spots, reclaiming control, and building habits that could unlock the wealthy lifestyle you've been dreaming of. But let me warn you, most people fail. Why? Because they underestimate just how addicted we've become to casual spending. That $7 coffee, that late-night Amazon scroll, it's not just spending. It's emotional spending. Let's be honest. If self-control were sold on DoorDash, we'd all have it delivered. But you're not like most people. You're here because you want more. Let me show you how to win this challenge, and how it could be the financial reset that changes everything. Act 2. The Journey. 7 key points. 1. Define your why. Before anything else, you need a reason. Not, I want to save money. That's not enough. Ask yourself, what am I fighting for? A debt-free life? Freedom to quit that soul-sucking job? A first home? Traveling without checking your bank account every 3 minutes? Write it down, post it on your fridge, make it your phone wallpaper. Because when cravings hit, and trust me, they will, your why will be the armor that protects your wallet. But knowing why isn't enough, because life will tempt you. What do you do when the impulse hits? 2. Identify your triggers. Let's play detective. Where does your money disappear? Is it retail therapy when you're sad? Food delivery when you're too tired to cook? Subscriptions you forgot even existed? Track every penny you spent last month. You'll be shocked. Spoiler, you're probably leaking money like a punctured pool float. Seriously, Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, Peacock, are you watching shows or collecting streaming services like Pokemon? Once you see your patterns, you can intercept them before they hijack your budget. Now, let's talk rules, because freedom comes from structure. 3rd, set clear rules for the 30 days. This is where most people mess up. They say, I just won't spend. That's like saying, I'll just be healthy, while standing next to a donut shop. You need hard boundaries. Here's a simple template. Essentials: rent, groceries, gas, meds. No spend. Dining out, shopping, subscriptions, entertainment. Exceptions: pre-planned events or emergencies only. You can customize, but don't cheat yourself. Because here's the truth. Discipline is freedom in disguise. Okay, rules are in place. But how do you actually survive the cravings? 4. Create free alternatives. If spending is your default escape, you need new outlets. Feeling bored? Go for a walk, call a friend, read a book. Feeling stressed? Try journaling, stretching, or just scream into a pillow. It's cheaper than therapy. Think of this as your Make Boredom Great Again campaign. Keep a list of go-to activities that cost nothing. The key is replacing, not just removing habits. Because nature hates a vacuum. If you don't fill that gap, spending will creep right back in. You're halfway through. But what if you slip up? 5. Build a rescue plan for slip-ups. First, you're human, not a robot. If you mess up, don't spiral. This isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Instead of quitting, pause and reflect. Why did you spend? What triggered it? What will you do differently next time? A $12 mistake doesn't erase 27 days of discipline. Forgive yourself, but stay in the fight. If LeBron misses a shot, he doesn't retire. You shouldn't either. But what if you crush the challenge? What happens after day 30? 6. Track your wins publicly. Here's a powerful truth. What gets measured gets mastered. Every day you don't spend on non-essentials, write it down, post it, share it with friends. Or better, start a group chat or challenge a friend to join you. Because accountability turns pressure into power. Think of it like going to the gym. You're far less likely to bail if someone's waiting with your sweat towel and side-eye. Even if you're doing this solo, use a calendar, a whiteboard, or a journal. Check off each day, watch the streak grow. Each X is a small victory. Each victory rewires your identity, from spender to saver to wealth builder. And once you cross that 30-day finish line, what do you do with the money you didn't spend? 7. Reallocate the money with purpose. Here's where the magic happens. Don't just let that saved cash sit idle. Put it to work. Got credit card debt? Throw it there. No emergency fund? Start it today. Always wanted to invest? Now you can. This is your moment to turn saved money into power moves. It's not just about restriction, it's about redirection. You didn't just not spend for 30 days. You bought clarity, confidence, and future freedom. So make that final move count. Give your money a mission. and let it go to work for the future you who made this challenge worth it. Act 3. The transformation. Imagine this. Your bank account is fuller. Your spending is intentional. Your confidence through the roof because you didn't just save money, you rewired your brain. Most people think wealth is about earning more, but the truth is, wealth begins with control. And now you have it. The 30-day no-spend challenge isn't just a month-long experiment. It's a launch pad. Because once you see the power of intentional money, you can never unsee it. So, are you in? Are you going to watch another video, or are you going to change your life? Start today. Your future self is already clapping for you. Outro, call to action. If you're ready to take the challenge, comment, "I'm in" below. And if you want a printable tracker and daily motivation for your no-spend journey, check the link in the description. This is your time. Stay disciplined, stay wealthy.